Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn your math. Focus on building a strong foundation in mathematics. Begin by truly understanding the core concepts, not just memorizing formulas. Ask why a particular method is used, rather than simply how to execute it. Consistent practice, perhaps for 20 to 30 minutes daily, is crucial for solidifying your knowledge and developing problem-solving abilities. This approach ensures long-term retention and deeper comprehension. To learn math effectively, engage actively with the material. Don't just passively read examples, try solving problems on your own. A powerful technique is to explain a concept to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This reveals gaps in your understanding. When faced with a challenging problem, break it into 3 or 4 smaller, more approachable parts. This makes the overall task less daunting and more achievable. Consistent practice is absolutely essential for mastering mathematics. Work through a wide range of problems, starting with simpler exercises and gradually progressing to more complex ones. When you make a mistake, don't just correct it. Take 5 to 10 minutes to understand why it happened. Leverage online platforms and textbooks, which often provide hundreds of extra practice questions to further hone your skills. Learning math can be challenging, but remember to seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask your teacher or a tutor for clarification. Even 5 minutes of targeted help can make a huge difference. Collaborating with classmates, perhaps in a study group of 3 or 4 people, can also provide new perspectives. Most importantly, cultivate a growth mindset, believing that your mathematical abilities can always improve with effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.